Hello and welcome to the Haven. I'm Mussetta Lee Storm, but you can call me Muse. And today I'm going to show you how I make beans and not hamburger. So keep on watching. So this recipe, you're going to want to use a large frying pan on your stove. We're going to start off by heating up 1 tablespoon of olive oil and browning 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Once the garlic is slightly browned, you're going to add in 1 pound of ground meat substitute of your choice, whether it be something you bought from the store, made yourself, or lentils or tofu. Then we're going to add a half teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we're going to brown up the hamburger before we add the next portion of ingredients. Once your meat substitute is browned up, you will then be adding 4 cups of baked beans and a 1/2 cup of ketchup of your choice, and mix that up thoroughly and then heat that up till it starts to bubble. And then you will have your beans and not hamburger. And that is how I make beans and not hamburger. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.